Hello, this is Jennifer Kellogg, the Dirt, Gravel, and Low-Volume Roads Specialist here at the Crawford County Conservation District. I wanted to give a brief slideshow of the completed dirt, gravel, and low-volume road projects from 2020. Let's start off with Bloomfield Township MICKLE Hollow Road. This is a stream crossing replacement project. The previous structure was a 13-foot wide bridge. As you can see here, the new structure is 24 foot wide and was decided from a bankful measurement of 23 feet. We have reestablished a stream channel through this concrete box and have created bank margins. Also, we added a new road surface and stabilized any disturbed areas with seed and mulch. The next project is Oil Creek Township-GASWELL Road. This is a road drainage project. The picture to your left is a ravine caused from ditch water and spring seepage that runs more than 500 feet of road before outlets at this one location. This was a major safety concern for the township. On the right is the ravine filled in and reseeded once drainage was fixed. We have installed 5 cross pipes carrying stormwater runoff into the woods on the other side of the road. The ravine was at this location right near the bend of this road. On the right is a water quality inlet that was installed to redirect spring seepage coming from the hillside into the woods at a stable outlet location. Randolph Township Grove Road. This is another stream crossing replacement project. The existing structure is a 13-foot wide steel arch pipe. The bankful width at this site was 23 feet wide. On the right, you can see the outlet with a large plunge pool. This is caused from the undersized structure that erodes these banks. So this is an over-widened stream channel here. Below is that same plunge pool. We are reestablishing the stream channel, and you can see how large the pool was where this rock meets the bank. The photo on the left is the inlet where vegetation is regrowing from a beaver dam that was washed out. With constant problems of beavers, the township decided to replace the culvert with a bridge. The culvert pipe was also a safety concern since most of the pipe has rotted out and could fail, as you can see on the photo to the left. The other photo is a shot of the upstream channel that has revegetated. Here are some photos of the contractor installing concrete blocks as the floating abutment for this bridge deck to be set on. Here's the same contractor setting the beams and installing the bridge deck. And here is the completed project with a reestablished stream channel. Steuben Township Dewey Road. This is a stream crossing replacement that had a lot of interest for its location. As you can see, aquatic organism passage from fish and many other organisms cannot be achieved with this waterfall here, created from the undersized structure. And at this location, this water is 3 foot deep and goes back underneath of this concrete arch bridge, 6 foot on each side. And on the right here is the location of that same pipe. Just wanted to show this because in a few slides, you'll see where the new stream location is, which is over here. This stream crossing had a percent slope of 5.6%, which is very steep. This pipe was set at 5.6% slope and has 2.7 foot of material inside to protect the pipe from scour depth of the stream. Here you can see where the new outlet of the stream is. So the old outlet was at this location and we moved it over to here. And on this picture, you can see the rocks here to hold back material in the pipe. Summit Township Inlet Road. This is a very undersized stream crossing with an overflow pipe. You can see the effects with how large this plunge pool is. For this project, the township did have a special request to keep the plunge pool in place since their fire department uses this as a local dry hydrant. We decided to try a bottomless aluminum arch pipe at this location. Here's the construction crew forming the concrete footers. And here we have a stream bed material installed and the crew is placing the aluminum arch plates into the grooves of the concrete footers. This is the completed project. The inlet on your left and the outlet on your right. The outlet has a log threaded cross vein and root wads to maintain a plunge pool and protect the banks from erosion. Troy Township NOEL Road. This is a stream crossing replacement project and the inlet on your left and outlet on your right. This is an undersized pipe and also a natural trout reproductive area. Here are some photos of the pipe being set and how deep the pipe is before being filled with stream material. Also, there was a road ditch here that had water directly entering the stream that was then redirected with a cross pipe. Here's the completed project and also a photo of a brown trout that was seen during construction downstream. Woodcock Township Fisher Road. This is the only low-volume road project completed last year. This is a stream crossing replacement project. The previous crossing is undersized and there is an overflow channel that goes to the left that carries water into another culvert down the road. The photo on the right is the plunge pool. Here are a couple photos during the pipe installation. The township decided to try aluminum baffles for inside the structure rather than using rock as grade control. This is to hold stream bed material in place in the pipe. These photos show the stream bed and the pipe being set next. Here on the left is the contractor using an I-beam to push material into the new structure. On the right is the township installing wing walls. This is the completed installation of the project with paving to be completed next year. On the right is an inside look of the stream crossing. One thing I wanted to mention is the importance of washing in fines. Without using pressurized water to wash in the fines, the water in the stream would run underneath the new material. I noticed this as the township had just finished half of the washing in of fines when I arrived on site. As I looked into the structure, the upstream was running over top of the new material until about halfway where they had stopped washing in fines. That just goes to show how important it is. Of course, they completed washing in the fines through the rest of the structure. On that note, these were all of the completed projects last year. I look forward to another year working with our municipalities to improve their roads and environment. Thank you for watching.